welcome back to a new vlog. Today, as you guys can see, it's very rainy outside, but we're on the road. We're heading to IKEA and a few other stores to do some shopping, mainly to look around to see what's new, as well as look for a rug for the living room and then maybe an outdoor rug, not too sure. But we're just gonna look around, and if we find anything, I will definitely share it with you guys. But I just wanted to open up the vlog and say hello to my people and let y'all know what we have in store for today. So I will pick y'all up when we have when we reach the destination, or we have anything exciting to share with you guys. So see you guys when we get to our first destination. I love the shade on this lamp because it just reminded me of our chandelier in the living room. Is that wicker kind of look. So I liked the way this looked, but it was just too long. It literally went all the way over to the coffee table, which I found, just a little weird. Maybe if you didn't have a chandelier, then that would be okay, but it was just a little too long for my liking, so did not get that. I also liked this little wicker chair, but more for outside. I was really looking for something to use on our patio, but could not find a chair that we absolutely loved. Of course, we had to take a look at this closet layout because this pack system, I think that's what it's called, the pack system. I love the color of this, that gray color. It was just perfect, and I could just see future plans of our closet makeover. I'm just taking it all in. They also had a white pack system layout that was okay, but I really liked the moodiness of the gray one, so I think I would go more for a gray or maybe a dark wood tone if I could find one, but just taking notes, y'all. As for any rugs for the living room or the outdoors, we did not find anything that just wowed us, so we're still on the search for a rug for the living room as well as a new rug for the patio. Unfortunately, we couldn't find one we liked, but we keep on shopping until we do. We also stopped into Globus Bauhaus. That was before we came to the car wash, and I forgot to record. We also went to a travel agency and we booked a very special trip that's coming up. I am so excited, but I will share that with you guys later on down because I don't really want to talk about that right now in this moment. But y'all, we are getting ready to travel to somewhere that I have always wanted to visit. So I'll probably take y'all along with us on that vacation. So expect a travel vlog later on down in the future. God spares life to seek us. Let me just say, excited. So excited. So we're back home and I thought I would share our haul with you guys. I already started opening up items, so I'm going to start off with the ones I opened. These are from Amazon. So we got our Swiffer dusters, just a refill because I'm almost out and I just wrote it on it. It's actually not the Swiffer, but it fits the wand, so it just looks just like this, exactly like the Swiffer dusters. And it's a pack of 40 for I think maybe 12 or so euros. I'm not too sure, I can't really remember, so don't quote me on that. But that's this. Then we got our Sagraton. Y'all know how much I like to talk about Sagraton. And we usually get the refillable packets, but they didn't have any, so we just went ahead and got the replacement. And this pack of 4 was very affordable. It was way less than buying 4 of them from the store. It was way less than buying 3 of them from the store. So I got that instead. And it comes in the regular bottles. So we have that. And then I needed a new pot for my flowers, my hydrangeas, so we stopped at Globus Bauhaus and we got this. And this was for 10 euros, as big as this is. This was for 10 euros. So we picked that up, as well as some potting soil. I'm not going to show you guys that. And we also picked up a few candles that we picked up from Globus Bauhaus. And this is the pomegranate grand apple and mango. So I hope you guys can see the names of them. But yeah, that's what we got from Globus Bauhaus. And then from IKEA, we got some boxes for the kitchen area, because you all know storage is a huge issue in my home. So we got some boxes, and this is how it looks when you put it together. And y'all know this is my color scheme, so I wanted to get something that, you know, was already in the color scheme for the kitchen. I don't see the price on it, but I think I paid $9.99. I think I paid $9.99 for it, and it's a good size, so I got a few of those. And yeah, that's basically it for my little haul. If we do anything else a little later on down, I will pick the camera back up. But other than that, that is it. And yeah, I'll see y'all a little later. Hubby made reservations for dinner and I had no idea, so I was surprised with a dinner date that evening. We went to our newest favorite sushi restaurant and it was just good food with good conversation, and it was just amazing. We had nice drinks and we just laughed and enjoyed the evening. So this is how we ended our day. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me for the day. It wasn't much, it was a short vlog, but this is my real life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed as yet, and I will see y'all later on down in the next video. So until then, y'all be safe out there, and I will see y'all in the next one. Tschüss.